Welcome to Lingoverse. In today's video, you'll master 30 of the most useful English words, all with clear images to help you remember. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up on your skills, stick around till the end for a quick quiz to test what you've learned. Let's dive in and boost your vocabulary in just a few minutes.
Time. I don't have much time to do my hobby at the moment. Person. She's a very helpful and kind person. Year. Last year, I went on a fantastic vacation to Canada. Way. Can you show me the way to the nearest bus stop? Day. I have a busy day ahead of me, so I can't meet you for lunch. Thing. There are too many things in this house. Man. The man across the street waved at me. World. I want to travel around the world someday. Life. Life is full of ups and downs. Hand. I injured my left hand playing rugby. Part. The car chase was the best part of the movie. Child. As a child, I loved playing in the park. I. Close your eyes and make a wish. Woman. The woman at the store was very helpful. Place. Let's meet at the usual place for coffee. Work. I have to go to work early tomorrow. Week. Do you have time to meet for dinner next week? Case. There wasn't enough room to fit all my clothes in my case. Point. That's a very important point you just made. Government. The government announced several new policies today. Company. I work for a small software company. Number. Can I have your phone number? Group. Our group project is due next week. Problem. I'm having a problem with my computer. Fact. It's a fact that exercise is good for your health. B. I am happy to be here with you. Have. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Do. What do you want to do this weekend? Say. Can you say that again, please? Get. I need to get groceries after work.
Great job! You've just learned 30 essential English words. Which one was your favorite or which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. For more vocabulary videos and quick quizzes, check out the playlist right here. Thanks for watching Lingoverse. See you in the next lesson.